Frugal living is a rewarding journey towards financial independence, but it's not without its hurdles. Let's break down these challenges and discuss practical strategies to overcome them, ensuring your path to frugality is both successful and fulfilling. Challenge 1. Combating the stigma surrounding frugality. Society often equates frugality with scarcity or deprivation, overlooking its essence of intentional living and financial prudence. To counteract this stigma, it's crucial to embody and promote frugality as a positive, empowering choice. Share your journey and successes, highlighting how frugality has enabled you to prioritize what truly matters, whether that's financial goals, personal well-being, or environmental sustainability. By showcasing the holistic benefits of frugal living, you can help shift perceptions from misunderstanding to admiration. Challenge 2. Adapting to a budget-conscious lifestyle. Transitioning to a budget-conscious lifestyle can feel restrictive, especially for those accustomed to spontaneous spending. The key lies in crafting a budget that reflects your values and goals while incorporating flexibility for unplanned expenses or treats. Utilize budgeting tools to track expenditures and identify areas for adjustment. Regularly revisiting and refining your budget ensures it evolves with your changing needs, making adherence less of a challenge and more of a habit. Challenge 3. Withstanding social pressures to spend. Social settings often involve implicit expectations to spend, whether on dining out, gifts, or activities. Openly discussing your frugal lifestyle and suggesting alternative, cost-effective ways to socialize can help mitigate these pressures. Initiatives like potluck dinners, community events, or nature outings offer social fulfillment without financial strain. Cultivating a supportive network that respects and possibly shares your frugal values can reinforce your resolve and enrich your social life. Challenge 4. Managing unexpected financial setbacks. Unforeseen expenses can disrupt even the most meticulous budget, underscoring the importance of an emergency fund. Start by saving a modest sum regularly, gradually building a reserve that covers several months of expenses. This financial buffer safeguards against setbacks, ensuring they don't derail your long-term goals. Additionally, practicing preventive maintenance on everything from appliances to health can minimize the occurrence of costly emergencies. Challenge 5. Finding fulfillment in low-cost entertainment. Before we dive into the topic at hand, I have a small request to make. If you're enjoying this video, I'd greatly appreciate it if you could show your support by subscribing to the channel. This way, you'll be the first to know about future content and updates, and it will also help us reach a wider audience. Thank you for your consideration. Reimagining leisure to include low or no-cost activities is vital for sustaining frugal living without sacrificing enjoyment. Cultivate hobbies and interests that require minimal expenditure, such as hiking, reading, or volunteering. Leverage community resources for free entertainment and educational opportunities. This approach not only aligns with frugal living, but also encourages a richer, more varied lifestyle. Challenge 6. Ensuring nutritious eating within a tight budget. Achieving a balance between frugality and nutrition requires strategic planning and smart shopping. Embrace meal planning to minimize waste and maximize savings, focusing on in-season produce and bulk purchases for staples. Explore meal prepping to streamline cooking, reducing the temptation for costly convenience foods. Incorporating plant-based meals can further stretch your food budget while offering health benefits. Challenge 7. Minimizing utility and household expenses. Reducing household running costs involves both immediate actions and long-term investments. Implement energy-saving practices, such as efficient water use, proper insulation, and mindful electricity consumption. Consider upgrades to energy-efficient appliances or renewable energy sources as investments in long-term savings. Regularly audit service providers for competitive rates on internet, insurance, and utilities to ensure you're getting the best value. Challenge 8. Balancing cost with quality in purchases. Frugality doesn't necessitate compromising on quality. Prioritize spending on items where longevity and performance justify the cost. Research thoroughly before major purchases, seeking items with solid warranties, favorable reviews, and enduring value. This discerning approach to spending ensures that frugality complements rather than compromises quality. Challenge 9. Strategically saving for major expenses. Saving for significant purchases or goals demands a calculated approach. Establish dedicated savings accounts for different objectives. Automating transfers to segregate funds effectively. Explore creative avenues to boost savings, such as cashback apps, selling unused items, or additional income streams. Patience and disciplined savings are critical for achieving substantial financial goals without resorting to debt. Challenge 10. Maintaining enthusiasm for frugal living. Sustaining motivation amidst the routine of frugal living can be challenging. Set and celebrate interim milestones to recognize progress towards larger financial goals. Incorporate variety into frugal practices to keep the lifestyle fresh and engaging. Connecting with a community of like-minded individuals can provide encouragement, exchange of ideas, and moral support, reinforcing the benefits and satisfaction derived from frugal living. Challenge 11. Harmonizing frugal living with family dynamics. Integrating frugal principles into family life requires communication, collaboration, and compromise. Involve family members in financial planning and goal setting, making it a collective endeavor. Educate on the value of frugality through family-friendly activities that emphasize experiences over material possessions. Addressing individual family members' needs and preferences within the frugal framework fosters a supportive and unified approach to living frugally. Challenge 12. Refreshing your wardrobe economically. Keeping your wardrobe updated and stylish on a frugal budget is achievable through strategic choices. Embrace the second-hand market for quality pieces at a fraction of the cost. Learn basic sewing and repair skills to extend the life of your clothing. Cultivating a capsule wardrobe of versatile, interchangeable pieces reduces the need for frequent new purchases, ensuring your style remains fresh and sustainable. Challenge 13. Affording travel on a frugal budget. Traveling frugally without sacrificing the experience involves careful planning and resourcefulness. Utilize travel rewards and points, seek out off-peak travel deals, and opt for accommodations that offer value. Prioritize experiences and activities over luxury, exploring less commercialized destinations that offer authentic and affordable adventures. Challenge 14. Overcoming the convenience of dining out. The lure of dining out can be countered by fostering a love for cooking and meal preparation. Invest time in learning new recipes, organizing meal swaps with friends, or exploring international cuisines at home. Making dining out a planned and budgeted for event transforms it from a convenience into a cherished experience. Challenge 15. Combating frugal fatigue. To prevent frugal fatigue, it's crucial to allow for flexibility and occasional indulgences within your budget. Regularly reassess your financial goals and budget to ensure they align with your current priorities and circumstances. Embracing frugal living as a dynamic, evolving lifestyle rather than a rigid set of rules can renew your enthusiasm and commitment. Successfully navigating the challenges of frugal living requires a blend of commitment, creativity, and strategic planning. By adopting these comprehensive strategies, you can transform potential obstacles into stepping stones toward achieving a lifestyle that values mindful consumption, financial savvy, and sustainable living. Frugal living is not merely about saving money. It's about enriching your life with experiences, values, and goals that transcend the monetary, paving the way for a fulfilling journey toward financial independence and personal contentment.